I've got another really easy but very tasty recipe for you today. And it's a cheesy potato bake. And we're going to make his own sauce to go with that. And we're going to chuck in a bunch of his homegrown tomatoes as well. Let's get started. So we need really thin sliced potatoes for this. I've peeled these, but you don't have to. So just going to use a mandolin, slice them really thin. So now we've sliced these potatoes up really thin. We'll just get them a quick rinse in cold water to get rid of starch. So next up we can make this sauce, and that's a tin of condensed chicken soup, or you can use mushroom if you prefer. And we'll just pop that straight into this jug. Then we'll add a bit of milk to that. And that way we can make sure we get all this soup out. No waste. Then I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then about a tablespoon of medium curry powder, or use hotter curry powder if you prefer. Pop that straight in there. Then we'll just give it a good whisk. That's the sauce prepared. Now I'm just going to bring these potatoes to a boil, just to soften them a little, but we don't want them breaking up. So next up, I've just chopped an onion into really small pieces, and then we're going to take a cheap tin of pork luncheon meat and duck seine. So we're just cutting it into slices and then into little cubes like that. Now that's all done, we're going to put a couple of tablespoons of oil into a pan and we're going to cook it off until the onions are browning and this is starting to crisp. So let's get these in. These potatoes are now just coming to a boil, so we'll turn them off and eco-cook them just for a minute or two. And as that's cooking, I'm just going to drop in some quartered cherry tomatoes. I'm starting to get a nice bit of colour on these. And I'm just going to pop a bit of black pepper over those. And a bit of tomato puree. A couple of tablespoons. You see those tomatoes are breaking down nicely now. So back to this sauce, we're just going to put a little bit in the bottom, not too much. And we'll just spread that around. And then we'll add a layer of these potatoes. Then I'm going to add a sprinkle of cheese, just enough to cover those potatoes. And then we can add some of this mixture we've been frying up. And we'll save a little bit for the top. Then we're going to pour over some of this sauce. Spread that out a little bit. But remember, we made this sauce up and it's basically a Myers sauce. That little bit of curry powder you put in is not going to make that sauce hot, but it is going to make it really tasty. Now let's go in with the rest of these potatoes. Then a bit more sauce. And this time we'll make sure that we get everything covered. Then we're going to sprinkle over a bit more cheese. And then the rest of that fried mixture. And we're all done. So that was very quick and easy to put together. And it looks really nice. So just pop that in your oven on 180 for about 30 minutes and I'll show you what it's like when it's cooked. 30 minutes later, this is done. And it's red hot. But look how amazing that is. And it's going to be so tasty. So try one yourselves. Let me know what you think in comments. I'm pretty sure you're not going to be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see other recipes that we do come up with over the next few days, just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next one. You all take care.